This is Christmas time. Let's twist some balloon with us. Come on, come on. Let's twist.
Let's bring Santa vibes to life with a balloon Santa hat. Please look with elf action.
Start by popping up your 260 white balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. And then a 30 centimeter bubble. And then another pinch twist. And we're going to fold it back and make another 30 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the first pinch twist. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. That's the rim of the hat. Feel free to squish it into a more rounded shape. Next, pump up your second 260 white balloon. And tie a knot. Leave a 4 centimeter tail. We're going to squish the balloon a little bit to soften it up. And then we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to twist it into 2 pieces. And then we're going to grab that middle bit and we're going to tie it to one of the pinch twists of the previously made white balloon. Then using these 2 large bubbles, we're going to twist them around each other until it makes this curved shape. And then at the end, we're going to tie a knot. And then we're going to tie that end onto the other pinch twist. This makes the beard. Now pump up your 260 red balloon and tie a knot. We're going to attach the red balloon onto one of the pinch twists. And then we're going to make a 35 centimeter bubble, followed by 2 pinch twists. You can make another 35 centimeter bubble to make the hat symmetrical, or you can do what we did, a 25 centimeter bubble, so then the hat's a bit curved. Tie it onto the other pinch twist. And then you can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Now we're going to squish the red balloon so it has this nice curved hat shape. Now pump up your 5-inch round white balloon and tie a knot. And then we're going to attach it to the 2 pinch twists of the top of the hat. And your balloon Santa hat is complete.
Well, I have a balloon Santa hat. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.